Number 1.
1995 Ford F-150, price $10,900, showing 157,000 miles and finished in bright Calypso blue with a matching blue interior. Powered by the legendary 5.0L V8 gasoline engine, it is paired with a highly desirable 5-speed manual transmission and a 4-wheel drive system, making it an increasingly hard-to-find configuration. The truck is equipped with factory alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, along with chrome bumpers, bed rail caps, and a bug shield that complement its classic appearance. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, with smooth shifting through every gear and dependable performance on and off the road. Clean, honest examples like this are becoming increasingly scarce, especially those featuring a manual transmission and 4x4 drivetrain. Its combination of originality, desirable factory specifications, and proven reliability makes it an excellent choice.
Number 2.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,499. It has been driven approximately 215,000 miles. It is powered by a dependable 5.7L Vortec V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 4-wheel drive system, offering the capability needed for both everyday driving and demanding work. Finished in green with a gray leather interior, the truck combines rugged utility with a comfortable cabin. The interior is equipped with leather seating, power windows, and power door locks, providing added convenience and comfort for the driver and passengers. A 6.5-foot cargo bed fitted with a durable bed liner offers excellent protection while remaining ready for hauling tools, equipment, or recreational gear. The truck runs great and has been a dependable vehicle, making it an excellent option for anyone seeking a reliable full-size pickup with proven performance and classic V8 power.
Number 3.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, powered by a dependable 5.0L Vortec V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, 2WD. It has approximately 185,000 miles, a green exterior, and a gray cloth interior. The truck is reported to be in very good condition, running and driving exceptionally well with no known mechanical issues. There are no warning lights on the dashboard, and both the engine and transmission operate as they should. The truck has been well maintained and retains several desirable factory features, including power windows, power door locks, a tilt steering wheel, and cruise control. Additional equipment includes a bed liner, factory towing package, upgraded MP3 stereo, newer Sumitomo Ice Edge tires mounted on original Chevrolet OEM wheels.
Number 4.
1996 Ford F-150, price $6,995, with only 81,000 original miles. It is powered by the proven 5.8L, 351 cu V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Finished in a classic black exterior with a gray interior, the truck presents a timeless appearance and comes equipped with power windows, power door locks, functional air conditioning, and a 4-wheel drive system for added capability in a variety of driving conditions. To keep the truck performing reliably, several important maintenance items have recently been completed. It has been fitted with new brakes, a new fuel pump, a new set of tires, a new distributor, new spark plugs and ignition wires, a new mass airflow sensor, and a new 4x4 actuator. These updates contribute to its dependable performance, allowing the truck to start easily, idle smoothly, and drive with confidence.
Number 5.
2001 Dodge Dakota, price $6,250. It has approximately 165,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 4.7L SOX 16-valve V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in gray with a clean black interior, this gasoline-powered pickup has been well maintained throughout its life and remains in excellent mechanical condition. The truck is equipped with desirable features including air conditioning, cruise control, and a tilt steering wheel for added comfort. It rides on tires with approximately 85% tread remaining, making it ready for everyday driving or weekend adventures.
The interior is in exceptional condition, showing very little wear, while the exterior presents well overall.
The truck looks great, runs excellent, and has always received regular maintenance, making it a dependable and capable 4x4 pickup.
Number 6.
2002 Dodge Ram 1500, price $8,950. It has been driven only 81,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, a burgundy exterior paired with a black interior, and is powered by a dependable 5.9-liter gasoline V8 engine. The truck is a crew cab long bed configuration, offering plenty of space for both passengers and cargo. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, with everything functioning exactly as it should and no known mechanical issues. It has been a very reliable vehicle that has never let them down. It also comes equipped with a matching Lear high-top canopy, adding both practicality and secure cargo storage. The truck rides on a set of brand new tires with less than 1,000 miles of use. Overall, this Dodge Ram 1500 is a clean, reliable, and well-equipped full-size pickup that is ready for daily driving, work, or weekend adventures.
Number 7.
1973 International Harvester, price $9,500. It has been driven approximately 124,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. It features a timeless blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, maintaining the truck's vintage character. Powered by a gasoline-fueled 345 International V8 engine upgraded with Hamilton fuel injection, it delivers dependable performance and improved reliability while preserving its classic appeal. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, with the engine firing up immediately whether hot or cold.
The Hamilton fuel injection system provides smooth operation and consistent starting, making it an enjoyable and dependable classic to drive. Although there is some rust in the floorboards, the truck remains remarkably solid overall, with very little corrosion for a vehicle of this age. Its combination of mechanical reliability, original styling, and well-preserved condition makes it an excellent candidate for weekend cruising, local shows, or further restoration while being fully enjoyable in its current state. Number 8.
1992 Ford Ranger, price $4,500. It has 180,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 4.0L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in turquoise with a gray interior, it has received numerous maintenance updates, including new front springs, ball joints, shocks, control arm bushings, steering linkage, fuel pump, brakes, crankshaft position sensor, ignition coil, spark plugs and wires, IAC valve, bed hardware, and a new battery installed this year. The truck starts every time and the engine runs strong. The transmission works but has a fluid leak, and a remanufactured replacement transmission is included with the sale. The body shows typical wear for its age but still looks good overall. The cab has a small water leak, likely caused by a windshield that needs to be resealed.
Number 9.
1990 Ford F350, price $6,500, powered by a 7.5L, 460, big block gasoline V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. Showing 244,000 miles, it runs and drives great with a newer transmission from a 1995 Ford Camper and a CompuShift Sport controller that provides smooth shifting and allows transmission settings to be adjusted and monitored from a smartphone. A new front fuel tank and fuel pump ensure reliable starts every time. Finished in white with a clean red interior, the truck features a solid rust-free frame and is clean inside and out. The AC blows cold while driving, the heater works properly, and a GPS speedometer has been installed. The tires are older but ride smoothly.
The only known issue is a sticking driver's door lock actuator.
Overall, this F350 is a reliable and well-maintained classic truck that is ready for work or everyday driving.
Number 10.
2001 Chevrolet S10, price $2,950, powered by a reliable 4.3-liter V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 230,000 miles on the odometer and features a red exterior with a gray interior. According to the owner, the truck runs and drives well, with everything functioning as it should. It has been properly maintained throughout its life and remains in good overall condition. The truck is equipped with a set of good tires, a new battery, and comes with a clean title, making it a dependable choice for anyone looking for a capable and reliable 4x4 pickup.